Introducing Trafft, the best booking management software. With Trafft, you have more time to grow your business and make your clients happy. Trafft comes with all the features you dreamed of, including incredible UX and product support. And it is zero about the things you hate. Trafft is perfect for salons, sports and training, healthcare, professional services, education and consulting, and many more. It's dead easy to set up and use by both you, your staff, and your clients. You can customize the design to match your business. Everything is preloaded for you. Simply edit the services' names and pricing with your own and integrate the GDPR-compliant booking form into your existing website or Instagram page. You can take online payments, allow your clients to reschedule without calling you, and send them email and SMS reminders. With Trafft, losing bookings never happens, since it integrates with your and your employees' calendars, synchronizes their availability, and adds every booking in the right calendars. What else is awesome? From Trafft's dashboard, you can manage your employees, locations, including vacations and days off, and see how your business performs. And that's just a tiny sample of what Trafft can do for your business. The best part? Trafft has a free plan. Choose the best booking management software. Choose Trafft.
I'm currently on the Trafft.com page. We just go try for free, and this will take you to sign up, which takes less than a couple of minutes. Let's use a dummy email for this, johndoe@gmail. John, okay, last name Doe, and then just enter the password to your account. Once we click continue, you will be redirected to the next step of the sign up, where you set up the information regarding your company. So you would choose your business, your industry in which you operate and your company operates, your company name, so let's say Law by John, and then your company URL is basically what the booking website for your account, the URL of it, which you can send to your clients, customers, etc., etc., etc. So lawbyjohn.trafft.com is your booking website, and then lawbyjohn.admin.trafft.com would be your admin area, your admin dashboard, where you can log in. So agree to terms of use, continue. And this is the last step. Here you choose the template for your booking website. So which template suits your business. I'm just going to use the dark one, but don't worry, because this step is for the first iteration. You can create it, and then when we log into the account, you can, under customize, you will see the options to change it even more and customize the booking website even more. So your booking website can be found here by clicking on this top left button, booking website, and you're redirected to basically what your customers can see. This is just some dummy data that Trafft created for you based on your industry selection, but these can be deleted at any time or point, so don't worry about those, or you can even edit them, change them to suit your business. So, okay, you said accepting your bookings. Let's dive right in. First, what you would need to do is create a service. So a service is something that you provide, what you're offering to your customers, and what is up for booking with your company. So let's say law consultation. And then you have all of the additional options which you can configure: upload an image, choose a color, category, add a description, and the only mandatory thing is you need to set the duration of how long the service lasts while they're booking. You can set the price, and for now the employee we will gonna leave as is until we create an employee that we can use. So add service. This will take you to more configuration options for your services. For now we're going to leave it as is, and then in the further videos we're going to show you how you can configure them even more. Okay, next step, employees. So under employees, add employee. These are just some dummy employees plus you as the admin. Let's say Jane Doe, it's a family business, why not? And then her email. And that's it. You can add a short description, but this is just internally for you. This is not shown on the booking website, just the service the description is. So save changes, and okay, Jane Doe created. Once we go back to services, we open up the service that we just created, and under settings, add your employee, which you have just created. And this is it. Now you're able to offer this service and have it available for booking. Of course, same as for the services section, the employees section. If you go under edit, you will see many other options. You can add custom pricing for configure the working hours, so when your service is available for booking, days off, special days, etc., etc. But all of these we will cover in different videos. This is just your guide to setting it all up and starting. So if we go on the booking website, you can see log consultation, book now, and then if you go, you can choose if you want your customers to book with an account, so they would need to log in, or just continue as guests, which is what I'm gonna do for this video. Okay, they choose their date, they choose their time, 25th of August at 10. They enter their credentials, so let's say Mary Smith at gmail.com, and book. Okay, so this is it. This is the booking process, the booking form. Now they have booked their appointment. They can add it to the calendar. And if we go back to your admin dashboard, are there appointments? You can see Mary Smith on the 25th at 10. So that's it. That appointment has been booked. If you click on it, you can see the details. You can edit the appointment. And of course, you can also view it under the calendar page. You can see all of the appointments that have been booked with you. And that's it.